Miami International, July 2022. A passenger denied boarding walks onto a Spirit Airlines aircraft anyway and refuses to leave. She tells officers, quote, "If I don't go home, nobody go home." Her defense: "I paid for my ticket." The Supreme Court, federal aviation law, and Florida criminal code all answer the same question. By the end, viewers will know exactly what a boarding pass actually buys.
The agent went to close the door, and there was one that was sitting on the flight and was refusing even to move. Right now, I can press charges for you trespassing.
I'm not trespassing. I have a ticket.
All right.
I'm going home like everybody else.
That's what I'm
If I don't go home, nobody go home.
I'm sorry. I just walk in, like you guys. I walk in with you guys. For what I understood, I just rushed in. The agent went to close the door, and there was one that was sitting on the flight and was refusing even to move. Philippe, is Stephanie inside?
They said that already?
I was doing G14.
She's inside. She's inside?
Yes, inside the plane.
Let me just go in, because there was one that was refusing getting out. There's 3 people outside.
Tell her to come outside. If she doesn't come out, then we can play. We are going to Deplane everybody.
Okay.
Right? That's the procedure.
Let the supervisor go and let him know.
But we have to listen because it's a pass after warning.
And if not, we have to Deplane everybody?
Everybody.
Yes.
First we start with the person in front of us. First we start with the person in front.
What's he? Huh?
Oh, thank you.
She's gonna go in front.
Who's the person?
She's gonna.
Way in the back on the left. Thank you.
Exit the plane. Right now, I can press charges for you trespassing. You went
I'm
through
not
the door.
trespassing. I have a
I just
ticket.
letting you know right now, the police officers are here. We're going to ask you to voluntarily walk out of the plane. If not, we're going to ask everybody. We're going to ask.
I paid for a ticket like
I
everybody
understand. I
else.
understand, but you were not bored when we closed the door. You went through the door when there was no agent at the moment.
Ma'am.
At the moment, ma'am. So,
Let's talk to you outside.
If
Let's
you
come
don't get
outside.
out right now,
Yeah.
if you don't get out right now,
Okay, hold
I
on.
have to
Let me
get
talk.
everybody out.
Okay, we'll get everybody out. I board like everybody else, and I paid for my ticket like
All right, let's go.
everybody
Let's go to the jet bridge so we can talk.
What do you mean? No,
Come over
that's
here.
what I'm talking about.
All right.
I'm going home like everybody else.
Let's wait
If
outside.
I don't go home, nobody go home.
Yes, cool. Okay.
Okay. All
I
right.
never did nothing. Like what? I paid for my ticket like everybody else.
Ma'am, we need to talk to you. Let's go outside.
No, I don't have to talk to y'all.
Okay. You're gonna make it worse.
Y'all can send me a paper in the mail.
Okay.
Y'all can literally send me something in the mail. Whatever. I paid for a ticket. I paid for a ticket like everybody else.
Let's go.
There's people
Everybody
that
has to
got on the
deplane.
plane after me. There's people that got on the plane
Let's go.
after me.
Then a deplane.
There's people that got on after me.
Stay here with her.
And everybody else.
They can pull charges against you for trespassing.
Yeah.
So can you walk out
And
now?
guess what? I'm going to beat the case because I'm not trespassing.
3 layers of law converge on this single moment, and most travelers never realize it. Layer 1 is federal aviation law, under Title 49 U.S.C. Section 44902 subsection B. An air carrier may refuse to transport any passenger the carrier decides might be inimical to safety. The Second Circuit, in Williams v. Transworld Airlines, 509 F. 2nd 942, 1975, held that this decision is reviewed only for arbitrariness. A boarding pass, therefore, is not an entitlement. It is a conditional offer, revocable at the airline's discretion. Layer 2 is federal criminal law, Title 49 U.S.C. Section 46504 makes assault or intimidation of a flight crew member a federal felony. The maximum penalty is 20 years imprisonment. If a dangerous weapon is used, up to life. Threats that compel a captain to delay departure squarely implicate this statute if proven. Layer 3 is Florida state law. Under Florida Statutes Section 810.08, an aircraft is a conveyance. Once authorization is withdrawn and the occupant is warned to leave, continued presence becomes criminal trespass. Refusing the officer's subsequent lawful order adds liability under Section 843.02.
Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, we're going to have to deplane everybody.
My name is. You should know if I was trespassing.
And wait in the boarding area.
Obviously, I want to take like everybody else. Ask the lady on the flight.
Can I say something? Can I say something to you?
There's nothing to say.
Can I say something
There's
to you?
nothing to say.
Will you listen to what I have to say, man? Will you listen? Will you listen to what I have to say?
Stand over here.
Make sure you get your belongings and make sure you have your boarding pass in your hands while we're in everybody. We will do this as soon as possible, all right?
Let's go.
I apologize for the delay and I apologize for the...
Well, y'all come from that fast.
What's that?
Y'all come from that fast.
We're around. There's a lot of people here. You're after the board.
Get your ass off the plane.
Ma'am, don't instigate her, please. Guys, don't instigate her, because then we got to deal with her.
They never refused me. I was already on the
They're
plane.
refusing you now.
Now after the fact, no. But that's after the fact. You can't do that after the fact. So no. Everybody going. We all going home late. Oh well. No, I can't. Because they should have just took off.
Let's go. Let's do it fast. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's move.
My boarding pass is the same flight as everybody else. What do you mean? That's dumb as f. They just want to have an attitude because they're miserable. They're miserable with their life. There's nothing for you to say. What is there for you to say? Like I said, y'all want to make my life hard, make everybody else's life hard. I want to go home. I don't even live here. That's weird as f. Y'all weird. But y'all mad because y'all really can't do anything besides make everybody get off and everybody get back on. You gotta wait till everybody get off. New whole plane. It's cool. I already sent my dad the information. Yeah, everybody getting off. Y'all too. You can go.
Let's go. You go in front of me.
And she gonna go behind me. And she's going behind me. No, that's mine, clearly.
All right, let's go.
You're not going behind me, though.
Ma'am, let's go.
You can go, and I will go behind you.
Go
You're
ahead.
not walking behind me, period.
Ma'am, let's
I don't
go.
trust you. I don't trust. Yes, please record. Thank you.
I give you this.
My Instagram is. So send it to me, so I can send it to my daddy. That's your only bag, because they're definitely not walking behind me. Yeah, make sure y'all Instagram, Skype. Send me the video so I can send it to my dad. They already have my ID. I got on the plane.
We need your ID.
You don't need my ID. That's okay. You get on the plane like everybody else. That's illegal.
And I'm giving you a direct order to walk over there. Okay?
Don't make it worse.
They're making it worse for them. That's illegal. I didn't do shit. I have a ticket like everybody else.
Everybody here is out.
And I have a ticket like everybody else.
Watch what the officers do not do. No weapons drawn, no takedown, no strike. Under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1989, force is judged by objective reasonableness across severity, threat, and resistance. Verbal commands and guided escorts sit at the lowest rung of the force continuum. This is textbook. But notice the tactical decision before the arrest even begins. Officers cleared every uninvolved passenger from the aircraft before initiating physical control. That is not hesitation, that is doctrine. Confined space arrests in aircraft cabins create injury risk, hostage-style optics, and contaminated witness pools. Clearing first costs minutes and saves litigation. On the Fifth Amendment question, every statement the suspect makes on this footage is volunteered, not interrogated. Miranda attaches only at custodial interrogation. Spontaneous declarations are admissible without warning. Her own words, quote, "I'm going to beat, the case will appear in the prosecutor's opening."
It ain't all ground. It's on your rest. For what though?
We're not going to argue.
Can somebody record this? Can somebody record this? What are you doing?
Let go. valid.
What do you mean it's not valid?
Because you're going to jail.
But everybody else is valid.
I'm not going to.
All right, we're gonna have to.
Yeah, hold on. Let's
How?
relax. We're going to take your property.
I'm relaxed.
We're
You're
gonna take
grabbing
your property.
me.
You're not grabbing your
I'm
property.
relaxed. You're grabbing me. What do you mean?
Relax.
Because why is he
Calm
grabbing
down.
me and I'm
Calm
relaxed?
down. Calm
Like
down.
I said, he grabbing me. See, legal as those cool because I don't mind suing nobody. I don't mind suing Miami police. That's why he's shaking his head. He over y'all. He's shaking his head. And I'm on camera at the airport. This illegal as I have a ticket. And y'all mad because I have literally the plate got stopped because I have a ticket to go.
I'll get you, what do you need?
She goes to jail for trespass.
Once you refuse to get off the airplane, that's trespassing.
Give me the info.
I will.
Upstairs. 269 74 231. Text my dad and tell him. See, look at him. That drag, now they want to drag. 269 274.
No, over here. Door 19. You can exit out. Just exit out. Exit out.
With a regular, what the fuck? Where that sit? The fuck? The fuck? Make sure y'all
Right there.
don't fly Miami in your life. Make sure y'all don't fly security. Yeah, I know. Turn around. No, that's illegal. I just went through TSA.
Alright.
Stay right there.
Stay right there.
Trying to beat me. Hey, they're trying to beat me. 2 Miami police, y'all get sued. Still, y'all not gonna. But you should have. Why y'all didn't have the body cameras on? Why y'all didn't have body cameras on? Then y'all gonna suffocate me in a car.
You wanna go to the station?
Go to the station. I'll go with him. That's okay.
105 372.
Ain't nobody say nothing.
This way.
We don't have to grab the fucking.
Yes, I will grab this stuff. Because you're under arrest. You're under arrest.
The case outcome at trial is unknown at the time of this analysis. The responding officers earn an A-. Clean confined-space doctrine and probable cause overdetermined. The minus reflects only a stray off-camera remark that fell beneath full verbal professionalism. Spirit Airlines crew earn a B+. The refusal was lawful and escalation to police was procedurally correct. The grade is held below A only because the suspect physically reached the aircraft door despite being denied. The suspect earns an F. Sustained non-compliance converted a civil dispute into multiple criminal exposures. For travelers, the lesson is concrete. A ticket is a contract, not a right of entry. Once refused, comply now and remedy later through the carrier's complaint process or civil court. That is the only lawful path. Reasonable minds may disagree on the airline grade. The comments will reflect that. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police interactions, and share your verdict in the comments below.